Hi, and welcome to Stable Secretary. Stable Secretary has a powerful schedule. You can click on the schedule. It is next to the big plus button at the bottom. The schedule has multiple views. You can view a calendar style schedule like this, or you can tap at the top next to the plus button to view something that's more like an agenda. You can add events from the big plus button, and you can add service events, add appointments, add tasks. You can manage the colors, the default colors for each of those items in the app's settings. The new thing that we have added here is the checklist, which is at the top of the screen to the right of schedule. I'll press it now. The checklist provides a way for you to take things from your schedule, add new things, and make a checklist for the day that you can share with your other team members. Since I've already filled out my schedule because I have many recurring lessons and rides and things that happen every day, I'm going to click the button at the bottom that says Import Items from Schedule. It asks me to confirm that I would like to do that. I say okay. And then it tells me that it successfully imported the items that I wanted it to from my schedule for that day. Right now, it's sorted by types. You can change the way that it's sorted, but give you an idea. If you want to see what you've got going on, you can sort it by type. The ones that are no type assigned, those are tasks, just regular tasks. And I'll click on the Sort by Types button to show you what the different sort items are, choices. You could sort by horses, you could sort by to whom the task is assigned, you could sort by time, and you can sort to see what's been completed. I will look at it by time, which is essentially the same as it was on the schedule view that we looked at earlier. And I'll also look at it by horses, where it will say what each horse is having on that day. You can add things to the checklist that aren't on your schedule if you want. You can add, let's just say that the farrier came. So I will click the plus button, add health items, choose farrier, select the horses that the farrier did. You can also use tags here if you needed to. I could put the farrier, I could put the time. Why don't I say that he came this morning at 10? And you can flag things and you can mark them as a higher priority down at the bottom. I'll add those items and those will be added to my list, which is still sorted by types. If I've completed something, so actually all of those farrier items are completed, I can check off by each horse that he got done, or I can check the whole group, which is faster. So to do that, I check the box next to farrier, go to Actions, mark items as complete. Now they're all complete. If you press the button with the plus by it at the edge near Brookie, you can add that health event as a record as well. That's a time saver. So let's say that I'd like to share this for my day. Perhaps I would find it more useful to share it by time. So I sorted it by time, but that could depend on your day, your staff, the events that are happening. Sorted it by time. Now I'm going to click the three little dots atop and I'm going to pick share items. Then I can email it, I could airdrop it, I can send a message, and I can WhatsApp it. You can share it however you want. And let's say we did do that. We'll just check off a few more items. We did all this, so we can do the group check off. And that's the gist of it. Please don't hesitate to contact us at support@stablesecretary.com if you have any questions, and happy scheduling.